Have you ever used your work email to sign up for a shopping site, or your personal email to send company files? It may seem harmless, but mixing work and personal email can create serious security risks. Cybercriminals love exploiting these small mistakes to steal sensitive information, launch phishing attacks, and even compromise entire organizations. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between work and personal email security, common mistakes people make, and the essential tips you must follow to stay safe. Your work email is part of your organization's digital infrastructure. It often contains things like sensitive company data, internal communications, client or customer information, and financial or operational documents. Because of this, companies typically protect work emails using enterprise security tools like advanced spam filtering, monitoring systems, and access control policies. On the other hand, your personal email is mainly for private communication, such as online shopping, newsletters, social media accounts, and personal contacts. Personal email accounts usually rely on individual security habits, which means they can sometimes be easier targets for attackers. Many people unknowingly weaken security by mixing both email types. Here are some common mistakes. First, using work email for personal accounts. Signing up for streaming services or online stores with your work email can expose your organization to unnecessary risks. Second, sending company documents to personal email. Forwarding work files to your personal inbox for convenience can bypass corporate security protections. Third, reusing the same password. Using identical passwords for both accounts means if one gets compromised, the other could follow. And finally, falling for phishing attacks. Attackers often send emails pretending to be HR, IT departments, or even delivery notifications. To protect yourself and your organization, you should follow these essential security tips. First, keep work and personal emails separate. Never use your company email for personal services or registrations. Next, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This adds an extra layer of protection even if your password gets stolen. Also, be cautious with links and attachments. Always verify unexpected emails before clicking on anything. Use strong, unique passwords. Password managers can really help you create and store secure passwords safely. And finally, follow your organization's email security policies. Many companies have strict rules for handling sensitive information for a reason. Many major cyber incidents actually start with just a single compromised email account. A simple mistake, like forwarding a work file to your personal email or clicking a phishing link, can lead to data breaches, financial losses, identity theft, and even damage to your company's reputation. Cybersecurity often comes down to those small daily habits. The key takeaway is simple. Treat your work email as a professional security asset and your personal email as a private communication tool. Keeping them separate and following basic security practices can dramatically reduce your risk of cyber attacks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others stay safe online. And let us know in the comments, have you ever received a suspicious email at work? Stay secure, and see you in the next video.